Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brittany. I am a wife and a mother and a lover of all things makeup and skincare. So today I'm going to be going over all of the products that I finished up in the month of April. I feel like I did a pretty good job. I'm pretty proud of myself. I ended up finishing up 10 products in the month of April. Some of them are a little bit more random than they normally are, but that's okay. I will say though guys, I have already finished 3 products in the month of May so far, so I feel like May's Empties is gonna be a good one, so you'll have to stick around and wait a few more weeks to see that, but pretty excited about it. So yeah, if you would like to see all of the products that I finished up in the month of April, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's start with hair care. I finished 2 hair care products. The first thing I finished up was this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I actually really liked this. This is I believe it's a mini or it's a smaller size of it, and I really liked this actually. It made my hair feel so nice and silky smooth, so I was a very big fan of this. I would definitely consider purchasing a full size of it eventually. I do have 2 other hair masks that I'm trying to work through, but if this is my favorite out of the 3, then I would definitely consider picking this up because I really did enjoy it. And then the other hair care product that I finished up was this Collab dry shampoo. This is the unicorn fragrance, and I won't lie to you guys, I strictly picked this up because I was obsessed with packaging. I know that unicorns are not as cool as they were a few years ago, but I'm still on that unicorn bandwagon. I love unicorns. I think they're so stinking cute, and I love anything pastel. So yeah, it says it's a unicorn smell, but for me it just smelled like grapes and I don't love the smell of grapes, so I definitely would not pick this scent up again, but I liked the dry shampoo just fine. I feel like it did a decent job, you know, keeping my oils at bay and all of that. And it's a very affordable brand. I can pick it up at Target, so it's easy to get. So I definitely would consider picking up another scent of this, but definitely not this one, because I just, every time that I sprayed it in my hair, I smelled grapes all day long, and I was just like, oh, like I love actual grapes, but I hate grape fragranced things, like that fake grape scent. Oh, not for me. So yeah, this was good, but not the smell, not at all. Alright, so now going on to something that's a little bit more random, but I'll explain why it's in here, and that is a hand soap. So this is the Noonie Gentle Liquid Hand Soap infused with apple water for hands and cuticles. And so I normally wouldn't put a hand soap in my Empties, like, ever. But the whole reason that I'm putting this in here is because I got it in a set of 3 products from Noonie, and it was like a skincare set. This just was a hand soap. I actually really liked it. Like, I was surprised how much I liked it because this is just like a mini size of it. I'm fully considering picking up a full size because I wash my hands a lot. I'm sure most of us wash our hands a lot more than we used to. And so my hands are so dry all of the time because most hand soaps fully dry them out. This does not. It does not dry my hands out at all. I feel like my hands are so soft and smooth after I use it, and I was shocked by that. So I would consider buying a full size, even though I think the full size is like $14. I'm like, if my hands are gonna keep being this soft every time I use it, I would definitely consider it. I mean, you still need to use like a lotion when you're using this afterwards, but it's definitely not as drying as most soaps are. I would say it's not drying at all for a hand soap, which is shocking. So yeah, I was a big fan of this actually. Alright, so next let's move on to skincare products. I finished up 3 skincare products in the month of April. The first was this Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. I picked this up because everybody raves about how incredible this cleansing balm is. They say it's like the best cleansing balm that they've ever tried. And it's good. I feel like I have definitely tried cleansing balms that are a lot more affordable that did just as well. I'm currently using one from e.l.f. that I think is just as good as this one. So I liked this, but I don't think I would repurchase it because it's like, I think $34 or $38, one of the two. And that's a lot of money for a cleansing balm. Even though it did a great job getting my makeup off and all of that fun stuff, I think I would rather repurchase the e.l.f. or trying another cleansing balm out. Because yeah, it was a little pricey. It was hard to purchase, that's for sure. Okay, so the next two skincare products are actually minis. The first is this I Do Care Berry Groovy Brightening Glycolic Wash Off Mask. So I received this in a little like trio, and I at first really liked it, but the last time that I used it, my skin, like after I like washed it off, my skin felt like so warm, and it had like, I was very red like all over my cheeks and my forehead. It almost looked like it was like a burn or something like that. It went away after about 2 or 3 hours, but it just was very uncomfortable because my skin just felt warm like from the inside, if that makes sense. And it didn't do that the first few times I used it, so I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it's just because it's older or something, but yeah, I didn't like this as much as the other masks from I Do Care that I've tried, just because the other masks didn't leave that weird, like warm sensation on my face. It's a little bit uncomfortable. And then the next little mini that I finished up was this Pixi Glow Tonic. You guys know I love this toner so much. It's my favorite toner in my collection. I use it all the time, but I have a few minis because Pixi does send these to me. So I had a few minis and I'm like, let's just start going through those minis instead of trying to like finish the big full size that they send me. So yeah, I love this. This is my favorite toner, so I would definitely repurchase it. I don't know if I will ever have to because Pixi sends them quite often to me, but if they ever stopped sending me PR, I would definitely purchase this on my own. Alright, so the next three products are makeup products, and the first I'm just going to quickly talk about because I already talked about it in my Project Pan update that I will have in the eye and link down below. But I finished this little mini of the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. I actually cut it off so I can make sure to like get all of the product out, and then I lost the top of it, so that's why it looks weird like that. This is a good primer. I enjoyed it, but I probably wouldn't purchase it again because I have so many primers that I like, so this is like the #1 favorite for me, but it's a good primer. Alright, so next I finished this Pixi Glow Mist. This is what I've been using as a setting spray for the past month or so, and I'm so excited because now that I finished this, I only have one setting spray in my collection, which is super surprising. I'm so excited about that. I actually love this. I feel like it gives like a nice dewy finish to my foundation or whatever. I typically will use a foundation and then I will put a powder over it, and so my skin sometimes will look a little bit too matte for my liking, but with using this, my skin looks so dewy and nice and just, I love it. I love this. I would definitely repurchase this. This one was sent to me from Pixi, but I would definitely purchase it on my own because I love it. I love the way it makes my skin look. Alright, and then the last product is this Grande Primer. If you guys have not been following me on Instagram for a while or haven't been following me on here for a while, I love this primer. Oh my gosh, this is the best mascara primer I've ever tried. They did send one of these to me, but I've actually repurchased it multiple times now because I just absolutely love it. I feel like it makes my lashes look so much longer and fuller than if I would have just applied mascara. So I'm a huge fan of this. I've already repurchased one. You'll be seeing that in my low buy update that I will be doing in a few weeks here. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It is the most amazing mascara primer, and so if you're in the market for a mascara primer, definitely recommend it. Also, shameless plug, I am now a Grande Cosmetics ambassador, so I do have a code with Grande Cosmetics. It is Brittany's Vanity 15, and it will get you 15% off if you ever want to purchase anything from Grande Cosmetics. I'm so excited about that. You guys know I love Grande Cosmetics, so when I found out that I was going to be an ambassador for them, I got so excited. Like, this is something that is so exciting to me. I believe it's an affiliate code. I don't know that for sure. I actually said it was on Instagram, and then I was like, I don't know for sure if it is an affiliate code or not, but either way, it'll get you 15% off. I'm definitely going to be using it in future to buy this bad boy and also their mascara because I'm obsessed with both of them. Alright guys, so that was everything. I finished up 10 products in the month of April and I'm pretty proud of that. I am hoping to finish up even more in May, so fingers crossed. I'm excited for that video already and it's only the 4th day of May. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know how many products did you finish up in the month of April. Are you proud of that or do you wish you would have finished more? Also, make sure to like like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye guys.